Hello everyone, how are you doing? Hope everybody are doing good. See, as you all know, we have become a family of 100k subscribers now, and I have got a good news for you. We have got a silver play button. So, are you all ready to open it? Yes, we have come up with unboxing video of our silver play button. So, let's quickly start. Radhika ma'am is very good at boxing and unboxing. So, she will start unboxing now.
You people are ready? Let's start it.
We are so much excited to see. See, this is what we have got from YouTube.
Are you all ready?
Yes.
You can see a black wrapper on it. Let's remove.
Yes.
Oh.
See, we have a token of appreciation here, and also this play button is a handmade one. This was made by a person called Rick. So thank you so much, Rick. This means a lot for us. And after this, we have our super duper silver play button. Just open it, ma'am.
Hey.
See how beautiful. So just open this cover too.
Oh, it's glossy look.
So much shiny. You see, this is how silver play button looks like. So this actually we dedicate to each and every subscriber of Homeschool. So this is our biggest achievement. And let me read out this token of appreciation here. It says, they asked us actually, do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th or your 1000 subscriber? Chances are you do, and we know that you will definitely remember your 1 lakh subscribers. Actually, to be frank, we don't remember who exactly is our 1 lakh subscriber. 100th subscriber, maybe we know, but 1 lakh subscriber, you should comment us. If you know, if you feel that you are our 1 lakh subscriber, do let us know, post your opinion in the comment section. Okay? And your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learnt about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, fans stayed and their numbers increased because of your unique voice and the excitement of being part of the growing community that you established. We are thrilled to see the development of your community and are proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 1 lakh subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations! We know that you have many more stories to share with your community, and we know that your fans can't wait for you to engage and amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you will do next, and we are here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your millionth subscriber, we may just write to you and ask, do you remember your millionth subscriber? Yours sincerely, CEO YouTube. So this is what written on this certificate, guys. So we really felt very proud. Actually, I'm proud of myself. I'm proud of Radhika. I'm proud of entire homeschool team. And moreover, I'm super proud of each one of you, each and every subscriber who is there in a homeschool. Thank you so much, guys. So I finally dedicate this award to each and every one of you. Thank you so much. See, here it's written, presented to Homeschool for passing 1 lakh subscribers. So that's what is written on this. You can see this, right? So that's all about, silver play button, guys. So this means a lot for us, right? Okay. So guys, hope we all will soon meet in a video gold play button unboxing video. Okay, so let's quickly share the channel, and moreover, more than sharing, I want you to use the content of the channel to a maximum extent, because every possible topic, every possible question you will find in a channel regarding class 10, complete class 10 science and mathematics syllabus is covered in a very detailed way. Every topic you will find it in a channel. So only thing is you have to study, analyze and learn, guys. and use the channel to a maximum extent and get 100% marks in your examination. We also have content for class 11 as well, chemistry, biology, mathematics and physics. So yet to cover few chapters. We soon fill up the content. Nowadays we are actually very busy with our college and school schedules, but soon I promise you that I'll cover everything of class 11 also. So do subscribe our channel to learn the concepts in a easiest way and in a detailed way. Thank you so much.
All the best, children. Work hard to achieve your success. Thank you all.